curly. I need to do my hair. For real. We're gonna do a wash and go. Yes. Yes, I do look tired in the face. I have a newborn. Do you have a newborn? Have you ever had a newborn? That's that on that. Using one brand today. One brand, start to finish, wash and style. Can we do it? Will the results be wonderful? The products we are using are from Curls Dynasty. I was sent these products. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was sent these products. I was not paid to do this video. I do not have a coupon code. I don't. I'm sorry, I don't. We're going to use the shampoo called Cocoa Mint. It looks like some of the product has settled, so you probably gotta shake this. Yeah, and the first instruction, shake well. This line has a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, a leave-in, and a curl defining custard. So the next time you see me, I'll be massaging that shampoo into my hair. I have applied the product all through my hair. What I really love about this product, it has a gentle lather and it doesn't feel drying. It's actually giving me slip, which I'm really surprised about considering it is a shampoo. I am kind of finger detangling, getting some of that shed hair out of my hair as I'm working this shampoo onto my hair strands and rubbing it into my scalp. So that is a plus that I was not expecting. It's called Cocoa Mint and the mint is very subtle, which I really love because I don't like when it's overdone. Not only am I filming for you guys on YouTube, I am filming on my Instagram stories. So if you follow me and you saw this, let me know in the comments. If you don't follow me, you probably missed it. So I'm working through the shampoo pretty quickly because I want to move on to the conditioner. But I wanted to take my time working all the shampoo through because I did wash my hair pretty well when I was leaning into the tub. But I have applied the conditioner, Blast Hydration Conditioner, Give Me Slip. This is very moisturizing. You have to leave it on for 5 minutes and you can detangle with this in your hair. So I'm doing some light finger detangling, nothing like extreme, like I won't be using a brush or anything because I like to do that when I'm deep conditioning. But the directions definitely say that you can like finger detangle with this or use like a wide tooth comb. I got rinsed out the shampoo. I can tell you about the shampoo. So the shampoo was very moisturizing. I was very surprised. And it did say that it was like a moisture rich shampoo. So it was like really true to the name. It felt clean. I saw the dirt leaving my hair because of the lather. So I know my hair was clean, but it had no clean feeling. Like it didn't feel stripped or a bit drier than usual. It just felt super moisturized and my scalp felt clean. So I really like that shampoo. The conditioner's been going on great. But I really like these products, like, oh my god. I'm like so surprised. They did their thing with this one. I like the conditioner so far a lot. The next time you guys see me, I will be applying the deep conditioner, which I already know I love. So I won't talk about that one too much because it's one of my favorites, hands down. My hair feels moisturized, absorbing the product. It's making like detangling super easy. I just sound like an ad, y'all. But I promise I'm not an ad. I really like that. Wow. Okay, so now I have the deep conditioner in. I rinsed out the conditioner. Really love the conditioner. It gave me a lot of slip. I was able to finger detangle with it, even though y'all already know I love this product. A little goes a long way, and that is ideal for me just because of the amount of hair I have. I love the scent of this. I love the scent of all of the products. It's very mild. It's not overbearing. It does not linger in your hair. You smell it while you're using the product, and it's an enjoyable scent. I already have a video on this, so if you want to watch that, I will tag it in one of these corners. I will tag it for you to watch, but I'm about to apply this, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Conditioner is in my hair. I'm gonna let this sit probably for another 20 minutes, and then when it's time for me to apply my leave-in and my custard, I will be back. This is the deep conditioner and my hair detangled. Moving on. So I have my Kalahari smoothie leave-in, and I have the vanilla cream custard. So we're working with this section. When I apply my leave-in, I like for my hair to be soaking wet, like super duper. Wow, that was a lot of product. I didn't even need all of that. Let me add it to this section real quick. It doesn't seem like a lot, but whew, that covered a lot of my hair. Yeah. When I use a lot of product by accident, I just add it to another section to distribute it. Literally saturated the second section too. So a little bit of this goes a long way. What I'm probably gonna do with the custard is add it to my ends just for like extra moisture. I'm using so little product. I'm gonna use what's on this covering, and I didn't even use all of it. I'm using some of it, and it's literally only for my ends. Oh yeah, this is a thicker product. Definitely. This goes on totally different than all the other products. This kind of seems like it would be good for a twist out, but I'm just trying to protect my ends more. It doesn't have like a slip to it like the rest of the products. Now I'm using a green Eco Styler, and I'm gonna see if my hair reacts differently. Leave-in smoothie going. Keep accidentally picking up hair. I didn't like the hold that the wet line was giving me. It was still kind of frizzy, so I started to use the Eco Styler. It's still a bit frizzy. I just don't want to have a head full of gel. Focus on my ends when I'm doing these wash and goes, or when I used to do them, because I haven't done one in a while. I like to focus on my ends, making sure they're smooth and there's no kinks, because the better your ends look when you have a wash and go, the longer you can keep it. Yeah, I didn't use a ton of gel, but I used more gel in the front than I did in the back. And yeah, we're finally done after I don't know how long. Guys, I totally forgot I was recording here. I'm done. I was just talking to my phone because, like I said, I've been doing this on my Instagram story, so follow me there if you do not. I'm going to leave my hair like this for the next few hours, let it dry. I'm probably not going to send it to the dryer because I don't really like doing that and I don't feel like it. I'm about to go get some work done and bless you, baby. I'm about to go get some work done and I'll be back to see like how my hair is looking when it dries. I'm getting ready to film a Wine About It Wednesday, and if you know what that is, comment down below. Let me know if you watched them. But my hair is probably still wet. I clipped it up because I hopped in the shower and I didn't want my hair to get wet. I also kind of wanted to stretch out the back a little bit, so I just clipped it all around. It's definitely still wet. I was going to put a blow dryer to it, but I never did because I started doing work. Just didn't get a chance to, so I'm just going to take my clips out because I have to get ready to film. My hair is probably about maybe 75% dry. The inside always takes the longest, so I'm not surprised by that. So I just had my hair clipped up all around. Oh, there's another one. Just clipped up out of the way, and I'm gonna shake it out. Whew, that's enough to make you lightheaded. Like I was saying, I have to film a Wine About It Wednesday, so I'm leaving my hair like this. It's about 75% dry. It's not like all super clumped together. I do have some frizz in here. Until the next one, good morning, good evening, or good night whenever you are watching this, and I hope I will catch you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. I read everyone and I reply to everybody, so let me know, and your recommendation could be the next video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.